So what is the truth behind ChatGPT's so massive success? This AI-based tech company gained more than 1 million users in 1 week and 400 million active website visitors for nowadays. And if you are thinking that man behind all of this massive success is Elon Musk or Sam Altman, not surprisingly, you are wrong as 99% of the people before watching this video.
Hello, I'm Bill Gates, chairman of Microsoft.
In 2019, Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, announced that they are investing into OpenAI in an amount of $1 billion. Whereas at that time, OpenAI was just a little startup with a couple of employees. But now we are in 2023, and this technology already showed the hockey stick trend, when at first nobody cares, but later then literally explodes, and Microsoft make an offer in amount of $10 billion for a 48% of the whole company. And there is two main factors why Sam Altman will agree to this. First and most obvious, I think, it will make them shit ton of money. And the second, most important, I think, all technologies like a Google search engine, Maps, and ChatGPT is not exception. They all need cloud computing because you will not calculate everything on your own machine. And guess who is the largest cloud computing seller in the entire world? Yes, you get it.
Microsoft.
The technique is pretty much similar to General Marshall's plan after Second World War, when America gave it money to broken European country in order to buy meal and stuff like that, but only which was produced in United States. Same as with tech deal of 21st century. Microsoft gave or invest money into OpenAI in order to OpenAI buy the services from Microsoft itself. Otherwise, why Microsoft would be a leader in the leading investors list on Crunchbase? There is a huge problem with big tech companies, that there is never much money for them, because nobody wants to repeat the story of Yahoo. If you are not progressively making the new changes, money and value for people, you are totally dead. That's why Microsoft engineers want to integrate ChatGPT technology into Microsoft Bing. If they do so, users won't anymore need to go ton of websites and eventually can get information from only verified websites. Sounds awesome, right? But still there's some two main causes which are stopping Microsoft to do so. Is that AI technology gets information, not creates it. So big thanks to 1+ billion users of Google which are publishing internet to open source just for free. And that means that Microsoft should create another way to distribute information, because when you rely on any kind of company which are not paying for it, it's pretty much dangerous to make a business on it. In addition to this, the second problem is in that one prompt in Google search costs $0.0001. However, one prompt from ChatGPT costs $0.02, increasing price up to 100 times. So that's why Microsoft engineers came up with craziest idea of creating the first premium or paid search engine in entire people history. If we make basic mathematical calculations, let's say only half of the present OpenAI users will buy Microsoft subscription. It is 400 million users minus 200 million. It means that 200 million people will buy subscription for, let's just say, $10. And it means only in the first launching year of this collaboration, Microsoft can make nearly $200 billion from only this collaboration. Overall, I think that 2023 is gonna be a game-changing year for AI technologies. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, and if AI won't take over my job, see you next time.